In this clip, we're going to be talking about the different type of layers available in After Effects and the potential behind them. Okay, so to demonstrate to you, I previously made a composition with most of the layers available in After Effects. To create a layer, we can go to our menu on Layer, New, and here you'll see the list of the available layers that we can create in After Effects. In this composition, you will find most of the layers, like this adjustment layer, which controls a blur that allows us to blend in a little more this fake ocean in the bottom. So once I remove that, you can see that it looks sharper. Okay. After that, I have a solid, which controls the shadow on the left side of our canvas. We already have an image, which is one of the most interesting one, which is our airplane. I also created a text layer, which is reflected on the bottom of our screen in the little ocean. I also have a shape layer, which makes the sun reflection. And I made a null object, which is controlling that reflection or the position. We also have a point light and a camera, but these two aren't doing much since most of our elements are 2D layers. We also have a Photoshop and a Cinema 4D layer, but both of these are not being used at this time. We also have a pre-composition, which means that inside this composition, there's another composition, but we'll talk about that further. And just to demonstrate this, I'm going to double click it to open that composition, and it's only a blue solid. I'm going to go back to my animation composition. And finally, I have my sky. But also to complete this composition, I have a lot of other layers that were composing this composition. So this composition is composed of a total of 23 different layers. All these layers are different type of elements, like an adjustment layer, solid, or a picture, or some footage, or a composition, and all these other ones. But the whole idea of this clip is for you to understand that no matter what type of file it is, it will still come as a layer. After Effects will still use it as a layer. And simple things as a solid can become an ocean. I'll see you in the next clip.